This is gonna go well, isn't it?
Don't reverse into me, that's how I die. Shit.
Is this guy high? How do I fly a helicopter? What's to take off? Up, right? W
Oh my
goes up.
god, it's F.
Oh, W. W
Is it
and the
8
number
then?
pad.
Oh,
So like
God.
8, 4, 6.
This guy's definitely gonna think I'm 8. Do I have to hold W and 8 or just 8?
A
Run,
W
stop,
is to a sound
stop here.
of like these things.
We're sniping from here. Well, at least a few of them, okay?
Alright. Let me get my
Missed him.
heavy sniper round. Wait, what the fuck are they? Is that? Oh shit.
There's one. You got him. Sick, that's just about
Do we need this helicopter?
Nah.
No, you can ditch it, just be careful.
How do we get out?
Just be careful, yeah?
I'll
Is this guy gonna jump or? Is this guy gonna
I'm
jump?
gonna do this. Right, I'm gonna do
I
this.
can't land it. If he thinks I can land it, he's high.
Don't Ryan has to climb in. Ryan. Or the boat takes
I've
off.
gotta get my, oh, yeah, they're firing upon us. That's not good. Oh, look at the ocean. How are they still hitting them?
Oh crap, blew up. I accidentally blew up one of the things doing. Oh my god, one of the guys fell in the water.
This guy must think I was so high. I can't land. It's so hard. No, I'm descending. No, I can't. It's over.
Alex,
No.
I think you should probably be in the boat next time.
Are you typing chat?
Yeah.
Alex, you can take the boat next time.
Okay, can we just ditch this and just use Khalifa?
Yeah, fun.
Well, then why did you say it? Because I'm leaving. I'm leaving the heist. Okay, you Khalifa,
Yeah, good.
you just missed me crash a helicopter because I can't fly one.